Hello, this is Duke Byte. We're going to learn another C# programming element, enums. An enum represents a group of constants. To declare an enum, use the enum keyword. In curly braces enter enum items and separate the enum items with a comma. By default, the first item of an enum has the value 0. The second has value 1, and another is increment by 1. You can also assign custom enum values. You can access enum items with the dot. Enum is often used with switch statements. Let's move on to Unity and Visual Studio. Let's create a C# file for working with enums. Let's attach the file to the object in the scene. Let's create an enum called level and complete the elements by separating them with a comma. Just creating an enum object does not give us anything. We do not see our selection list in the inspector. Let's create a variable called level. Now we have access to this list from the Unity inspector. We'll assign the current level as hard. And we'll display the corresponding information in the console. With the switch instruction, we can change the current level while the program is running. In the update function, let's create a switch instruction for the myLevel variable. Visual Studio complements the body of the instruction for us. Let's add the option of displaying information in the console for each case. We can now change the difficulty level while the program is running. I hope that the movie was helpful. If you have any comments or questions, I invite you to the comments section below the movie. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.